Flux-Cored arc welding, or FCA, is a great way to join metal. It's kind of like using a hot glue gun for metal. FCA is easier to learn than other types of welding, making it perfect for beginners. This is because the welding wire contains a flux, a special material that protects the weld from the air. This makes FCA more forgiving of mistakes, which is perfect when you are just starting out. You don't need a separate shielding gas like in some other welding methods. This makes FCA very versatile, and you can even weld outside on windy days. If you're looking for a user-friendly and efficient welding method, FCA is a great option. Before you start welding, you need the right tools. First, you will need a welding machine, specifically a wire feed welder, that can handle FCA. These machines come in different sizes, so choose one that fits your needs and budget. Next, you will need a welding gun connected to the welder with a ground clamp for a good electrical circuit. Of course, you will need a roll of flux-cored welding wire, which comes in different diameters for different metal thicknesses. Don't forget your safety gear, which includes a welding helmet, welding gloves, and a leather apron. Now let's weld. First, clean the metal you want to join. Use a wire brush or grinder to remove any rust, paint, or dirt. This ensures a good weld. Next, set up your welding machine according to the wire and metal thickness. This information is usually found in a welding chart or the wire spool. Put on all your safety gear, including your welding helmet, and make sure the lens is shaded dark enough for FCA. Now, you are ready to strike an arc. Hold the welding gun at a slight angle to the metal, about 10 to 15 degrees. Gently touch the wire to the metal to create an electrical circuit. This will start the arc. Welding is fun and rewarding, but safety is the most important thing to remember. Welding produces very bright light and sparks, so always wear your welding helmet with a properly shaded lens to protect your eyes. Welding also generates heat and molten metal, which can cause serious burns. Always wear appropriate protective clothing, including heavy-duty welding gloves, a leather apron, and long sleeves. Make sure your work area is well ventilated. Welding fumes can be harmful to your health. Work in a well-ventilated area or use a fume extractor. Finally, remember that hot metal doesn't always look hot. Allow your work to cool before touching it, and always be aware of your surroundings.